Okay, for fucking one, you're a dumb bitch. Okay?
Because, baby, you're a firework.
Dude.
No, really?
You can't sing worse shit.
No.
I'm sorry.
I mean, you sound like a fucking biker on crack. Hey, you're a firework! No, I'm sorry. It's not working for you, honey.
And Judas was his own person, by the way, and if you actually pay attention to the song, Lady Gaga was talking about falling in love with the wrong fucking person.
It's a metaphor. Go back to English 101. I mean, do you really have a... What is your IQ? I mean, honestly, if I go to hell for listening to a song, I'm gonna beat your ass in hell. Like,
Me too.
this bat up the pooper. Gonna happen.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.